How can you keep your cat safe on bonfire night? Well, there'll be lots of fireworks and bonfires everywhere, so it's a really good idea to keep your cat indoors on the night. A startled cat might also try and run outside to escape the scary noises, not knowing that that's where they're coming from, so it's also a good idea to block off some easy escape routes. Inside the house, make your cat a really nice cozy corner where they can feel really safe. Ideally, somewhere that's a little bit enclosed so they feel super protected. And when the fireworks start going off, try not to get too involved with your cat. Your cat will normally find themselves a place where they feel safe, and you trying to move them from that place or make them do something different can often make them even more stressed. Another trick is to try putting on some cat relaxation videos. We have loads of super long videos on our channel that are just dedicated to this exact thing, keeping your cat calm and relaxed, so definitely have a look at those if you're struggling. Is your cat scared of fireworks? Let us know in the comments.